You just heard the starters. Recap lang natin. Usual suspects for Adamson. It has been the proven formula for success para kay Coach JPU who hasn't experienced a loss yet in this tournament. For FEU, Kyle Pendon will get the starting nod in favor of Faida Patangke, who's not suited up. Magiging cheerleader muna si Faida ngayon. Pinagpapahinga lang.
Yung focus nyo, buo.
Oo. At nag-umpisa na nga ng service dito si Jassel Yarina. By the way, ready to start? Kasi usually, ang nag-uumpisa ng ating laban, magsaserve yung setter. The block point scored by Third to Dow and Company. Unang isa. Itong kalaban nila.
Sila yung kaharap ngayon dito sa finals.
Oo. Petalio. Oh, he'll get it. That lock at 3. Tin. Bigay ulit kay Jerzel. Cross-court. Umubra pa rin.
Madiin yung...
Usually, kalat kagad yung pensa. Pero ngayon, una niyang pinapaboran si Jerzel Petalio. Mamaya mo makikita yung variety. Again, it's a mixture. Kapitan Ubaldo na ngayon. Francis Morty on the other side. Gumagana ang attackers. And check out this grab. Spike of the set. Brought to us by Francis Morty.
Maintain yung cool sa ganitong laban. Kailangan i-maintain yung cool sa ganitong laban. Kailangan mainit na lahat. Tulad ng atake na yun.
Shoes to fill, di ba? Dahil sa absence ni Faida. Naging center si Shai.
Makikita natin emosyon.
Could be better. That reception still could be better. In turn, nakakapalo ang Adamson. Huli lang ni Jerzel Petalio.
Bumawi naman.
Nasa likod, magsaserve. 5-point lead. Nahigop ni Nitura yung service. Hindi nakapalo ang Adamson. In turn, FEU will go to Petalio's block. Ball is alive. Loresco is rejected. And Adamson will get the point. Opposite hitter. A cannonball of a serve. Alanganin yung pressure Pendon. Palabas na sana. Pero makakapuntos pa rin si Mitzi. Sa kailangan ng FEU, everything will be resolved by just getting the first pass. Na kahit pumalo, sila Francis, sila mag-deflect nila yung bola. High probability na makakakuha ng maayos na unang pasa. Tulad nun.
Magandang pasa, magandang set.
Yung
dami na nangyaring
no?
ganon.
Again, a better reception. Leading to that trap that was saved by Faye Sagaysay. And there's Shai Nitura. Huli pa yung cross-court ni Jerzel. There's the save. Another FEU attack. They go to Mitzi. Panangin off speed. Nagkanda sabit-sabit si Shai.
Nanggigil eh. Feel ko babawiin etong si Segi.
Hindi.
Gusto nang ipatapos. Gusto nang ipatapos kay Shaina.
Mamaya daw sabi ni Faye. Mamaya ko yung JP. Hindi lang sa individual. Even that individual, ang daming variety sa opensa.
Ang dami. Lalo na nag-uumpisa sila sa magandang reception. Kaya etong si Sagaysay nagiging comfortable na magbigay kay Mordy, kay Shaina, kay Segi. Halos kahit sino yung bigyan mo dito, nahihirapan ngayon yung FEU na bumasa kung kanino ibibigay ni Sagaysay.
Yung mission first ball ng FEU, susubukan nilang hanapin yan come set number 2. Adamson ahead in game 1 of our best of 3 final series. It's a matter of showing some consistency if you're Adamson, if you're FEU, mission first ball. But third to Dow, just kick things off in the second set for Adamson. Consideration na baka mamaya nagkaka-issue sa first ball, bukang mental na rin naman eh sa panig ng FEU.
Naapektuhan talaga.
Oo. Great dig coming from Petalio through the blockers. Lovely Lopez. Habol si Faye. Nakapalo si Frances. It's FEU's third. Di nakapalo na maayos. Ito, maayos na palo.
Malinis na yun.
But the play goes on. Great job by Encarnacion and Love Lopez to recover that. A battle at the net won by Jerzel Petalio.
Nabasa na ito ni
2-point lead for FEU. Nitura is blocked!
Bantay sarado ni Ubaldo at ni Panangin.
With si Panangin with short serve. Nahabol ni Joris Manuel. Nituras! Eyeing for that pipe attack na pwede naman sana iwasan.
Pero yung effort sa floor defense, neto ni Shaina Nitura kanina. Ilang beses yung inangat niya.
Out of bounds area.
Kahit paatakihin mo ng quick yan, pwede.
Oo. Abby, got it!
Yun yung magandang contact talaga.
And once the opponent figures out Shine Nitura, yung mga tipong 2-3 beses na mapigilan yung mga atake as if yun. It runs in the family, ika nga. Isa pa. Oh, with rejection by Love Lopez. Better coverage from Adamson. Nitura no good. Ubaldo back set. Kyle Pendon!
Yung distribution.
Overpass. Hindi. Lopez no. Sa kanya huli, sa kanya angat. Nitura is blocked. The play goes on. One more time. Dive si Suplico. Set ni Love kay Jercel off speed. Sumobra. Love Lopez almost. Segi lalabas na. It's at its peak. And if you're FEU, kasi second set pa lang to, you would want na maiangat pa kahit paano. Kasi may iangat pa nga naman. Eh, kumukonekta pa yung mga Jercel Petalio. Meet si Panangin, sumabit lang yung palo. No good on that attack from Francis Mordi from the back row. No good on Kyle Pendon. Mordi second time. Pipe attack finally for Francis Mordi. Nandun naman kasi activity. Chances are yung mga mishits lang sa floor defense, sa coverage, yung mga ganong klaseng angat. Malalayo lang ng punta yung bola eh. Shine Nitura just decking Margaret Encarnacion. And the play goes on. Jercel Petalio, difficult cross-court.
Mas manipis yung cross-court hit.
Ni Coach JP Ude, maging pasensyoso. Be patient. Shine Nitura.
Baliwala yung tatlong blockers dito sa...
Given a lot of success to this FEU team and could give a lot more. They could start with this set na kung saan 3 puntos lang ang kailangan nila. Ubaldo to Love Lopez got blocked. Pinanood ng coverage ng FEU.
Attacker, nakapokus doon sa atake niya.
4-point set. Kyle Pendon. Ang FEU, malapit-lapit na. Nako, sobra. MG. Short serve. Where's the play? Nope. Nitura. And this Jercel. Ubaldo setting it to mid si Panangin. And the play goes on. To Dow setting it up to Shine Nitura. Had to be creative. Nako, sobre pasa. MG Del Moral.
Laging nakaabang.
Gahan.
Kinargahan ulit.
Isa pa. Muntik na. And the ball will go out. Tight set. Is history. Nawala yung first ball. Nagawa ng paraan. Adamson Stern. Nitura had to be creative. There's the dig by Suplico. Lopez. Yes! Sa set point pa rin ang tuloy. Para sa FEU. Shine Nitura for the tie!
Kanino mo pa ba ibibigay?
Set. Napapaatras yung receiver, JV.
Yun yung nagiging problema nila, yung reception. Nasa dulo pa lumabas.
Shine Nitura completing this set, the steal for Adamson.
Nakuha pa ng Adamson yung panalo.
JV, we were all resigned to the fact that FEU will tie this matchup. But the only group of people that were not resigned to that fact is Adamson University.
Hindi nila sinukuan.
Oo.
Kahit sabihin natin lamang, etong FEU, trinabaho talaga ng Adamson.
2-0 lead for the Lady Falcons. Shine Nitura mangunguna sa Adamson, but it's evenly distributed between third to Dow as Love Lopez scored.
Kahit sa harap, kahit sa likod, kahit sa service area. Floor defense, pasa.
Oo.
Nasa kanya na lahat. Pero etong atake ni Lopez.
Clarice Loresco, pero ngayon ang naglalaro, An-Assist tsaka Mitzi Panangin.
Doon mo rin makikita na malalim yung bench neto ni Coach Tina.
Yung magiging impression kasi Jercel Vitalio, she's not the tallest of the attackers na kapag siya, hindi siya matapos matatangkad pa yung mga blocker niya. Talagang nandun yung tendency.
Makikita talaga. Eto. Doon ng
Oo.
FEU.
Decent first ball. Great play. Just better dig coming from Adamson. Francis Mordi, no good on the push shot. Kyle Penton with the block point.
Ganitong panahon.
Pambalanse, no?
Yes. Mainit na yung laban ng
Oo.
dalawang team. And eto na naman yung Nets defense na nagiging na puntos.
Easy na, no? Both teams had to be creative. Francis Mordi with the attack.
Yung drinap.
Couple of times already, Coach JP na nga nagbilang. Di naman sila puputos, tayo nagbibigay. Ngayon pala nakaputos talaga ang FEU with that block. Lang sa score, ayan, 18 na. Ang FEU. Abby Segi. Nice chase by Love Lopez. It turned into an attack. That was foiled by Joris Manuel. Nitura. Got it. Usan ni Shai kung saan dadala yung bola. Yung bola na mismo, no?
Parang ano kinakausap yung bola.
Oo. Good idea by Tinobaldo. Good first ball. Ganda ng play ng Adamson. Binasic. In context kasi, you'll just feel for FEU. You'll just feel for FEU na kapit lang. Panangin. No. Mordi. Francis Mordi. Not yet. Saan pupunta ang Adamson? Francis Mordi again with a job. Nahabol ni Tinobaldo. Love Lopez had to be creative. Sagaysay, Tunitura. Yes!
Sinitura na naman ang tumapos ng mahabang rally.
FEU in survival mode. Clarice Loresco. Almost. Free ball coming up. FEU chooses Penton, who's blocked.
Pero bigla na lang.
Sharp serve coming from Francis Mordi. Lopez is rejected.
Pero sa Adamson, may Nitura, may Tudaw. Andito pa yung Segi.
Kay Nitura pumunta. Who's blocked by Loresco. Closer from extending this match. Mordi. There's a short ball. Hindi naka-atake ang FEU. Sagaysay. Punta kay Nitura. Yes!
Si Tudaw na naman yung server.
Oo. Obaldo to Lopez. Missed hit. Pero nakapuntos. Lovely Lopez saves the set for FEU.
Dinala niya sa down the line. Yung attack. Pagdating sa FEU. Pero ngayon, ang maganda, nasolusyonan nila yung nangyari nung set 2.
Na-overcome na nila yung hamon na binigay ng Adamson. FEU able to seal the deal, completing the mission, and they kept this match alive for themselves, for the entire FEU community. Di pa tayo tapos. Set number 4 when we return. Live on Solar Sports, catch-up viewing, 7 Mindanao Network sa Tap Sports. We welcome you again inside the Playtime Phil Oil Center. J. De La Cruz, JV Sumagaysay. That's Francis Mo. Uy, mukhang okay na yung mga starters. Sige, balik ko ka ng set 4.
Tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawing solusyon para makakuha pa ng set etong FEU.
Lopez Ostag. Kakandara pa opensa ng Adamson in that sequence. Finally, a proper attack. Jacel Yarina made sure. Actually, maayos yung Francis Mordi.
Kahit mahirap, nagagawa ng paraan ni Sagaysay.
Third. Ay, ba't libre yung kanto?
Nakaabang na agad dito si
Don. Homegrown ng FEU. Tura, no good. Lopez through the blockers. Nawala yung coverage.
even naman si Coach Manolo na inabot ko pa ngayon mga coach na. Ito na naman yung pasa.
Ball. Lot of options for face Sagaysay. Choosing Shai Nitura. Kandahan. Ang sagot ng FPU, si Eliarina. Nahuli lang ni Eloy. Jerzel Petalio. She's starting to get her groove, JB. Super mega ultra out of system. Ganon.
Tinodo mo na.
Segi, no good. Jerzel Petalio could not make the connection. Nag-ala. Sayang. Naiyak sana ni Eloy. And the block is in. Fade to Eloy. Running attack. Working for Adamson.
Pa sa likod.
Oh.
Na pwede mo paatakihin sa gitna.
Morty. No, it was a tip. Di lang nakatake ang FPU.
Walang setter para sa Adamson.
Ball si Juris. Francis Morty. Yes!
Successful. Yung
They're 4 points away from taking game number 1. Lopez push shot block. Ubaldo to Eliarina. Block by Todao. Ubaldo back set. Pendon was out of position. Adamson will go to Morty again. Nandun si Suplico. Ball cannot be saved anymore. Francis Morty again. Kailangan ma-overcome na talaga nila. Ito, Shai Nitura. Naiangat. Step back ni Lopez. Block by Todao. Lopez again. Wala yung gitna. Set up ni Faye. Kay Nitura. Simple post shot. No, that will go to Shai. Adamson. Yung agwat. Pero kailangan pumuntos muna. Love Lopez. No, there's enough. Sagaysay to Nitura. Layo sa net.
pinalo pa rin.
Oo. Combination. Block. But the ball's still alive. Short ball. Segi of the blockers. Isa pa kay Love Lopez. Siya talaga pinapapalo. Siya pa rin ang makakapuntos.
Ayaw tigil.
Adamson will take game 1. Nitura. Kapan!
At tinapos na ni Nitura.
This Wednesday. Some highlights first, JP.
Nakita natin yung diin ng atake ni Nitura na kahit minsan wala na sa posisyon, wala na sa balanse yung forma niya. Pero gagawa niya pa rin ang paraan. Ultimo kahit sa back row, pumupuntos. Pero syempre yung effort ng Mordi na yung inatake nila yung butas dun sa down the line. Yun yung naging isa sa susi para makuha nila yung set number 4.
And one more thing, very underrated na pag-usapan natin ito off-air as you're witnessing the final scores. The small details. Mga